Okay. Hello, everyone. Hi, guys. Hi. Right. So I hope everyone is okay, guys. Sorry for being late. I had my laptop has a problem. I don't know what's wrong, and also connection. Yes, I'm so sorry about that. But yes, we can start now. All right. Okay. So today's lesson is based on inserting shapes and diagrams. Right, so this is a revision. Right, so this is a revision of inserting shapes and diagrams on Microsoft Word. All right. Okay, let me see. I see Lionheart is here. Hi, Lionheart. Long time. I hope you're well. All right, so inserting shapes and diagrams. Right. Okay, in this lesson, you will learn, so we will revise on how to insert pictures and shapes. Right. Wow. Okay, inserting pictures. So you have learned in the past 2 terms how to use Microsoft Word. I believe that you know also how to insert pictures, or maybe you have learned about inserting pictures before. Maybe now you have forgotten how to insert pictures, but don't worry. This lesson is just here to remind you. So, right, how to insert pictures. Insert pictures. All right, so selecting pictures. Right, select the insert tab. Okay, so when we want to insert a picture, so we are going to start with inserting pictures. On Microsoft Word, when you are inserting pictures, all you need to do is to select the insert tab. In the insert tab, go to the illustrations group. I'll show you just now. Then select pictures. Word will open all folders on your computer or external drive. So you will have options whether you want to insert pictures like online pictures, take pictures from the internet and insert them on your Word document, or take pictures on your OneDrive, or you want to take pictures from your device. So Microsoft Word will give you that option. Right, so you can insert a picture from your computer by doing the following. You open a new Word document. Say now you are working on a document. Let me open a new Word document. Okay. Right, so here is your blank document. Maybe you want to insert a picture, not on a blank document, but on a document that already has text. But it's the same thing. You can do this the same way, whether your document has text or it doesn't. Right, so it doesn't matter. Right, now how to insert pictures in your Word document. How to insert pictures. To insert picture, you go to your insert tab. Remember, you want to insert a picture, so you use the insert tab, right? Insert tab where the illustrations group, you'll see a group named illustrations. So this is where you'll find your shapes, your pictures, smart art, screenshot, and the charts. Right, so now we are dealing with pictures, how to insert a picture. Simple, you just click on pictures. Then it will give you two options. You want to select pictures from this device or online pictures. Now I want to insert pictures from this device. Click on this device. This device, and then you will have this. So Microsoft Word will take you straight to your pictures. Then you have your pictures. If you have your pictures on your USB or on your let's say you have a picture on your desktop. So this is your desktop. If your pictures are on your desktop, then you can click on desktop, then desktop will open. But if you have your pictures on pictures, select pictures. First, you need to select the location of your pictures. You know where you saved your pictures. If you know where you saved your pictures, then you can locate that area. Then if your pictures are here by pictures, then you can go to your pictures, you'll see your pictures. So here are my pictures, right? So let me insert this picture. If I want to insert this picture, I can click once on the picture and say insert, or just double click on the picture. Then here's my picture. All right, so let's go back to our slides. Okay, open a new document. Place the insert in the document where you want the picture to appear. Right, so please take notes. Place your cursor or place the insertion pointer in the document where you want the picture to appear. Even on the document, you should place your cursor where you want your picture to be placed at. Right, so if maybe it's after a certain text in the document, place the picture after that text. If you want the picture to appear before the text, then place the cursor before the text. So you must place the cursor first where you want the picture to appear. Then you go to your insert tab, illustrations group, picture. You choose between those two options. Then if you want pictures from your device, from this device, then say pictures from this device. Then you choose where you saved your picture. If you see your picture, just double click on the picture or click once and then say insert. Then your picture is there. Now let's continue. Place the insertion pointer in the document where you want the picture to appear. Yes. Select the insert tab, illustrations group, then select pictures on this device. Microsoft Word will open all folders on your computer like you have seen. It has opened all folders on my computer. Then I chose the folder where I saved my picture. So my picture was in the folder called pictures. Then I went, not the folder, but the location was pictures, then I went to pictures, then in my pictures, I saw the picture and double clicked. Right, so if your picture is on your desktop and on your desktop there's a folder for pictures, then you select that folder, double click, or you click on that folder, then open. After the folder is opened, then you select the picture. Right, so by selecting the picture, I mean you double click on the picture or you click once on the picture and click the option open. Then the picture will be on your document. All right. Now, manipulating pictures, how to manipulate pictures. Right, you have seen my picture, the size of my picture. Now, how do I manipulate the picture? Right, when you insert a picture into a document, you can resize the picture using the sizing handles. Let me show you the sizing handles. The sizing handles. So when you are changing the size of your picture, here are the handles. Can you see them? Can you see them? If I click on this one, click, then drag my mouse. Then if I drag the picture, it becomes bigger. Can you see? Right, the other way that I can use to change the size of my picture is this one. Right, so if you can't see your handles, just click on the picture, then you see the handles. When the handles are on, that means you are now on the format tab. If you can't see the handles, it means you haven't activated the format tab. So to see the handles, click on the picture. When you click on the picture, the Microsoft Word then gives you these options to edit or to manipulate your picture. Right, to change the size of the picture, you can use these handles, or you can come to the group size. Can you see on your format tab? Okay, so to see the format tab, always make sure that you click on the picture so that you can see the format tab, right? On the format tab, there's a group called size. That's where you can change your size, the size of the picture. If you want to make it, to change the width of the shape or your picture, you increase, or you click on the arrow facing up, but then if you want the width to be smaller, you click on the arrow that's pointing down. But this one is only for the width and this is for the height. To change both at once, let's see if I can. Now I want my height to be 7 centimeters and my width to be 7 centimeters, so it changed, right? So here I have A7, 7 centimeter, the height is 7 centimeter, and also the width is 7 centimeters, sorry. Right, so this is how you change the size of your picture. Now, when you're changing the size of your picture, always drag the handles on the corners of the picture to ensure that the aspect ratio of the picture is not changed. All right, so you are advised to change when you want to change the size of your picture, use the handles on the corners. Right. Okay. Always drag the handles on the corners of the picture to ensure that the aspect ratio of the picture is not changed. All right, so if you drag the handles on the corner, that means your picture will be of the same size. I mean, the height and the width will be the same size. But then if you use the handles on the side, that will mess up your picture, the ratio. Let me show you. If I use the handles on the side, can you see? It doesn't look proper. Can you see? So you are advised to change the size of your picture using the handles that are on the corners. Right, so now what happens, maybe you are given a test in a test or maybe an activity. In that activity, you are told to change your picture, say maybe to 5 centimeters. What do you do? To see the exact size of the picture, just come to the size group, then 5%, look for 5%. So always, if they ask you to change your picture maybe to 5%, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter height or 10 centimeter height and 10 centimeter width, that's where you can see the size of the picture, just to be sure. Right. Now, okay, you can rotate the picture or apply wrapping options. The type of wrapping used will be determined if the text will flow around the picture, in front of it or behind it. Okay, so now you have an option of rotating the pictures and applying wrapping options. How do I rotate the picture? This is easy, guys. So easy. Easy, All right. Now, to rotate the picture, rotation of the picture. How do I rotate the picture? Okay, can you see text wrap? Okay. Okay, so to change the wrap of the text, this is where you come. Want it to be square, tight, but this one you can see the effect when you have a text in your document. So I don't know, I will come back to this topic later, but for today, let's move to the next option. All right, so you can rotate the picture, rotate right 90%, rotate left 90%. You can flip the picture vertically. Let's see, you can flip the picture. You can rotate the picture. Okay, can you see? So this is where you come. For rotating the picture, use the arrange group. Can you see? You can flip. Right. So now we all know how to rotate, how to add the wrap, text wrap, how to wrap text. Okay, how to rotate a picture. Okay, now what happens if I want to crop the picture? Crop, you know how to crop pictures. We all have cell phones. So to crop, you know what crop means. So to crop a picture, the this is where you come, the size, group, and crop. It's up to you. If you only want to remove this part, maybe, then the picture is cropped. Right, what's next? Apply different styles and other formatting effects on the picture. Adjust brightness, contrast, and the color of the picture. Okay. Right, so remember, to see the format tab, you need to click on the picture so that you can be able to see the effect, the format tab. Right, so we have different picture styles. Here are your styles. For more options, click on this arrow. If you want your picture to appear as metal oval, click on metal oval. You have many options. Okay. Okay. To change the color of your picture, there's a group called Adjust. Color, you can change the color of your picture. Okay. If you want to do corrections, you can come to this to improve the brightness, contrast, or sharpness of the picture. If you want to improve the brightness, if you feel like the picture is too bright, you can change the brightness of the picture. If you want it to be too bright, then you have these options. Okay, now what else? Let's see. Okay, so we are done with pictures. Now let's insert shapes. In Word, you can also add different shapes to your document. This could be in the form of arrows, call outs, squares, triangles, and more, and many more other shapes. Shapes are used, for example, when creating a diagram that requires a line and flow chart to show a process. Say now you want to create a diagram. Let's see how to insert shapes. How do we insert shapes? Insert shapes. First, you need to place your, if you want to place your shape, select or move to the area on your document where you want to place your shape. Then go to Insert. On your Insert tab, you'll see Illustrations. There's a group called Illustrations, Illustrations, then look for Shapes, because now you want to insert a shape. You want to draw a shape. Then with shapes, there's also many options you can choose from. There's basic shapes, rectangles, the lines, flowcharts, stars and banners, callouts. You can choose from those. Then you can also use this new drawing canvas, so you can draw your own shape. Right, so in your spare time, just practice drawing your own shape, right? And also practice how to insert shapes and edit your shapes. Just play around. Okay, so like this one. Okay, so this cross that you can see on your document, you can move this cross if you want to place your shape here. Then you can place your shape here, but I don't want my shape to be there. So I'm going to use this space in the bottom, sorry. Okay, so to draw your shape, just click, right click. Sorry, you click on the document. To insert your shape, choose your shape first, go to shapes and then choose your shape. Then select where you want to place the shape. Then click and drag your mouse, sorry, oops. Okay, so you can click to place your shape, then change the size of your shape by dragging your shape using the corner handles. Okay, or you can just your shape. This is my shape. Click and drag. Right. Then here is my shape. All right. So on my shape, I can put. I can type in anything that I want. You can insert text and change how your text look like when it comes to your word styles. Your feel, you can change your feel. You can change the color of your shape. You can change the outline and the effect. All right, so you can also use the word art style. Like you can see what mine, I used this one. All right, so guys, that's it for today. Because of time, I have to stop right here. Yeah, but I believe that's it for today. Yes, like you can see on this diagram, this is how you select your shapes. This is how you insert your shapes. All right, so you can change the size of your shape, insert something or draw or add text in your shape. You can also, yes, you can add text. You can change the formatting, the size, the font text, and color of the text. So after you have your text in your shape, you can change the size of the text, the font type, the color, change how your shape look, the effect of your shape, the color of your shape. Yes, like this one, this is the shape. I can insert text on the shape, change the color of my shape and how the shape looks like, the effect. Yes, the effect, I can change the effect. All right, so guys, yes, that's it for today. And I thank you for joining this lesson. And I hope to see you on Monday. Remember, we have a test next week on the 30th of July. And on the test, you will be required to insert a picture or a shape. I'll see. You will be required to do so. All right, so make sure that you know how to do this thing. Guys, thank you so much. See you on Monday. Bye.